Yeah, while I scanned my Camry, it brought up the check engine light and check VSC system. So I want to scan it to see what brought up the code. Um, I have already turned off the car, turn it on. That's why I check VSC system is gone. But I'm gonna scan the car right now to see what code I have. So that's what I'm getting. Heater control circuit low, bank 2 sensor 1, and bank 2 standing right behind the engine, I mean at the flywheel side. If you're standing there, you will get the bank 2 would be on the left while bank 1 is on the right. So I'm going to test the FY sensor, which is the sensor on the exhaust manifold right in front of the car, right in front of the engine. That's where the FY sensor bank 2 is. So I'm going to test it. I should get a beep on the heater circuit when I test for continuity. If I don't, that means it's bad. But if I do get, that means I have like wire integrity problem along the bonnet too. So my car is a V6, so it's a V6. I have my bank one right behind here, and bank 2 right in front of me. And the sensor it's complaining about is this one right here, this one over here. This is the FY sensor. The oxygen sensor is after the catalytic converter. So this is the bank 2. It's complaining of P0051. So let me unplug the socket and test for integrity. It was quite hard to take out, but I've taken it out. This is the socket for the sensor. It's being tied to these holes here, so it won't be, the wire won't be running around. So this is the wire. These two black wire here are for the heater circuit, while this one here, this blue and this blue and white are for the sensing circuit. The wire I want to test for continuity here is these two black wire. These two black wire, that's what I want to test for. That's the circuit it's complaining about. So let me set my multimeter to continuity and test. So here I got my meter set to continuity. So I should hear this beep. Can you hear that? I should hear this beep when I test for continuity on those two black wires. So I'm doing the test now. This is the two black wire, as you can see. So I should get the continuity beep, and nothing. You can see there is no beep. So it's 100% assurance and proof that the sensor on this car is bad. The sensor is bad. So I will test the I'll test the new sensor, and you'll see the beep I'm talking about on new sensor. The bank 1 is hard to reach. I would have used that as a confirmation, but I'll get my new sensor and show you guys that this sensor is actually bad. The heater circuit inside is open. So I'm about to take out the oxygen sensor. Now I'll have to take out this string here, so I'll be able to access it down here. And what I'll be using is this special socket. It's slit here so that you could slide past the oxygen sensor. It's like a plug spanner. Then you use your extension and ratchet. Then you use this penetrating oil on it, so it would get easily loosened out. So I'm going to apply it there. Look at my angle shot here. Let it stay for a while. So you penetrate it and let it stay for a while. And this is spanner itself, 22mm, to take it out. So when I take it, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and what you need to look at when getting another one. So here is it. I'm using an extension with it. I had to take out this plastic to access it through this place. You can see the advantage of this. So your wire could slide through it, then it stays on it. So it's on it. Then I'll try to get it loosed now. So I'll have it loosened now. It's quite hard. don't know if I'll be able to lose it with one hand. I would have to. So this is what it looks like. This is what is bad. And if you are buying it, you would have to buy it. The one that has this part number. Exactly this part number. Exactly this part number is what you have to buy. And you sometimes it's good to count these holes here. And if you're not getting exactly this part number, you might be throwing up another code. So this is what we are getting. This is the line. This is the heater circuit line that is bad. The way we tested it. So when I get another one, I'll show you guys that this line has to beep. We'll test both and we'll see. Yep. I've got another AF sensor for the car. You can see they are having identical parts number. It was quite hard, but I found it. This is the one I took out of the car that has been marked with a white tapes. Now this is the one I just got. So we're going to do a test on both of them, and you guys are going to see what I was talking about. So let me put my own on the left and the one I just got on the right, and we'll do a test for it. So I'm going to be testing them. This is the one I just got. This is the one I just got right now, and this is the one I took out. So let's test them. Check if my leaders, you can see there's continuity, and this is the one I took out. This is outside 2 black wires. So let's test if there's continuity. And, there is no beeping sound. Let me bring the meter close just to see. You can see no continuity, no beeping sound, no continuity. And let's test this one. See, there's continuity. Now let's test the one that I just brought in right now. See if there is beeping. Okay, yeah. So 2 black wires I'm testing. There is continuity on the heater circuit. So this one is good, and this one, so 2 black wires, no beep. It's bad. And as you can see, since I got the right part number, I'm getting my resistance at 0.04. This is the good one. So I'm going to put in this one in my car now, and I believe that will take away the code. So I'm installing it in the reverse order, the way I took it out. So I'm going to install it, socket it properly the way it should, then go inside, clear the code, and go for a test drive. That's what I'm about doing right now. Yeah, so I'm done fixing the car. It's morning, the car is not yet warmed up. That's check engine sign. I've not started the car yet. I've cleared the code, so let me start it up. Yep, and the check engine light is gone, so I'll quickly go for a test drive and get the car warmed up to see if the code comes back. But I believe it's not going to come back because I've fixed the fault. Auto sensor replacement is done, so I'm going for a test drive right now. You can see there's no check engine, no check VSC, nothing. So going now. And so as you can see, I've driven about 2 kilometers. My car is warmed up. As you can see on the smoke cluster, the code is not back. Initially, when I had not fixed the fault, when I just drive around 1 kilometer, it just comes back. My engine warmed up. So my engine is warmed up, driven 2 kilometers or 2.2 kilometers, and the code is not back. So I believe this is a fix. It's a fix. I finally fixed the fault. P0051. Heater circuit. Thank you.